Hello friends, today in this video I will show how to reset Mail app in Windows 11. So click on Start, then here type Add or Remove. Click on Add or Remove Programs. In this list guys, you have to find out Mail and Calendar. Click on these three dots, Advanced Options. Scroll down and firstly Repair. If this app is not working, so it will resolve some common errors, and surely you want to reset, just click here Reset. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. If you are sure, click on Reset. So this is the way guys you can reset your Mail application. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe the channel.